was losing who I call myself today. I'm so pleased at the way you received the video of Maya's rescue yesterday. I think I managed to convey the sense of emergency and urgency, and this poor girl had been out there in the open, exposed for so long, she nearly paid the ultimate price. Maya, she's now at the hospital, she's in a quarantine area, she's also been receiving plenty of care, and already we started with the medication for the diseases that she has, and yeah, she's doing okay. She's resting. I think for the first time in her life, she's not sleeping rough. It's no rain, it's no cold. She's doing great, very relaxed. Just have a look. I also wanted to show you how Hiro is doing. The injury is closing slowly but surely, and I think in a couple of days we will be able to operate him. Remember how he was when he arrived? Just have a look, have a look, have a look. This is how he's doing now.
How do I tell you that it's all because of us I'm awake, and because of what I'm feeling, and that love's a fooling game. I don't want you to be crying tears of pain, even though it feels like I'm close to you, but still so far away. I kiss you, but not in the same way. I cannot tell you how it happened when things started to change, and I'm not sure of what I'm saying, 'cause every time I'm rushing into something
Today we also performed surgery on Goldie. Goldie was rescued before Christmas. Both his legs were in such a condition. At some point I thought he was going to lose both of them, and I started really thinking, how can we make it work? Maybe he's going to be a cat in a wheelchair. I don't know. It's not a great idea. But anyway, we managed to save both his legs. He's doing so well. Just have a look. duele?
Le retiraremos esa placa que ya no hace nada.
Sí. ¿Hoy?
Si
Vale.
queréis, sí.
Sí. Dice que le duele la pata en algún punto, que hay un punto que le duele.
Aquí.
Finally, we performed a CT scan on Cleo. Cleo went to surgery about 3-4 weeks ago. We had to build her nasal passages. We had to perform it was a really complicated surgery because we had to make some holes in her bone and build a canal for her to breathe. It was really, really complicated. Anyway, the surgery failed at the first stage. The bone formed itself and there were some complications. So we have to fix this thing again. So today we perform a CT scan so that in a couple of days we will be operating her again. Just have a look.
Followed you around the other day while you thought you were alone, but nothing could prepare you for all the days without something real to do to get through. And all you need is one sensation to get you on your feet. And all that I see is a lame temptation stapled on the road to greed. I heard that you finally sold your heroes, abandoned all your childhood dreams. Innocence ago, you said you'd never change the way you spend your days, but there are ways. And all you need is the one sensation to get you on your feet. And all that I see is a lame temptation stapled on the road to greed.
So that was a quick update on some of the animals we have at the hospital. There's so much going on. Magic is going home in a couple of days. So is Wendy. Tomorrow we're receiving a cat that is flying from the other side of the country. He has severe burns. There's so much happening at the moment. Anyway, guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of this rescue. We need you. Please, if you can, support our efforts. Save lives with us. Please, here, there's a link. Join us on Patreon. Thank you.